Hi, this is Mike with Rock Out Loud Live, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how the sound settings in Windows, on Windows machines, affects the sound quality of Rock Out Loud Live. A common misconception is that Rock Out Loud Live adjusts the mic settings and the volume settings, which we don't. It's all done on the actual Windows operating system, and I'll show you how to troubleshoot that as well. So the first thing you want to do is check your mic level settings. Many times people adjust the volume by hitting the volume and making that louder. What that does is just increase the white noise. You don't want to do that. You want to increase the volume of the microphone, not the speakers. So it's very important. So if your students don't hear you too well, you want to increase the mic level settings. If the students hear you distorted, you want to decrease those mic settings. And here's how you do it. You want to go to the control panel. So by selecting the start key, just type in the word control panel. Once you select the control panel, you'll have some options here. The first option is hardware and sound, and that's what you want to select. Once you do that, you'll be brought to the sound options. So you got to manage your audio device. So when you select manage audio device, it pulls you up to the playback and the recording. It's very important to understand that the playback is the speakers and the recording is the mic level settings. So you want to be sure that you select the recording option. And by doing that, it brings you into the microphone that you're using. The one that says default device is the one that you're using, and you can also tell by the LED lights which microphone you're actually using. So when you select microphone, and then you select the properties, it'll bring you into these tab options: general, listen, levels, and advanced. Be sure to check the levels tab. That levels tab will adjust the microphone settings. Very often this is set to 10 and you're overwhelming the mic and it's going to distort, or it's just set too low, therefore you're not going to hear the mic well at all. I would say anywhere between 50 and 80 is a good place to start, and you can ask your students how they sound. But generally, this is where you want it to be. You don't want it to be at 10 or 100. That will distort your settings. So after you're done with that, you hit OK, and you're back to your microphone, and you just adjusted the microphone settings. I hope that helps. Thanks.